Hey everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. So I was tagged by Gary over at MC Model Works to do a video about my hobbies that I have outside of model building. These videos have been going around. A few of you guys have shared your hobbies that you do, so that's what this video is going to be about. First and foremost, I guess something that I enjoy doing besides model building is I like working with wood. I'm a novice, I'm learning, but I do enjoy building things out of wood. I've done some small things, I've done a few big things, you know, little furniture things here and there around the house, and just, you know, some little small wood things here and there. But it's something kind of fun to do. It's kind of fun to take a piece of wood that's, you know, nothing and cut it down and shape it down into something that, you know, looks kind of cool. Like I said, I'm still very novice at it. I've only been doing it for maybe 4 years now. I've still got a lot of tools to build up, you know, things like that, and still a lot of, like I said, a lot of stuff to learn. But it's fun, and I just kind of do it here and there occasionally. You know, when I get an idea of something I would like to build, or when the wifey wants something built, then, you know, I've done a few of those projects here and there too. Which also includes kind of, you know, refinishing furniture pieces as well. I've done some of those projects where we've bought old pieces of furniture and I've refinished them and made them, you know, into something fresh and updated and all those good things. So just kind of fun, something different to do there. Probably a second hobby of mine would be, I like filmography or videography. I enjoy creating videos and things like that. You know, I do a lot of stuff with that. I create a lot of, you know, small videos, you know, not like movies or things like that, but just kind of short, you know, promo type video stuff. I enjoy doing that. I enjoy putting it all together, filming it all. I've got a few different little rigs that I use to film stuff. And then I enjoy just getting into the program, you know, putting it to music, sound effects, different things like that, and just making little promo videos for stuff like that. So yeah, I enjoy building models, I enjoy doing woodwork, and I enjoy doing videography. So that's a little bit about me. I really don't have any other hobbies besides those things. You know, and I don't get a lot of time to work on those hobbies, but, you know, they are what they are, and when I do get a chance to work on them, they are fun. So, with that being said, before I finish this video up, I need to tag a few other model builders so that we can see what it is that you guys enjoy doing also. So, I've got 3 names here that I want to tag. You'll have to forgive me if somebody else has already tagged you. Then you've just been tagged twice, and you really need to make a video, you know, if you want to. But anyway, first and foremost, I would like to see Mason over at Detroit Muscle 59 do one of these videos. I'd like to see you do a video. It's been a little while since we've seen your face here on the tube, Mason, and we'd like to see you do one of these videos and see what's going on. Also, I would like to see Paul over at the Open Exhaust Models. Paul does some really cool stuff. He's a great guy because, you know, we share the same name. But, you know, outside of that, does some cool models, and like to see you do one of these videos, Paul. And then you'll have to excuse me because I don't actually know what your name is. That's awful. It's awful. I've been connected to you for a long time here on YouTube, and I don't actually know what your name is. But it is the Stig over at Stig 800. Also does some cool models, and I always refer to you as Stig, man, and I guess I've just never asked what your name is. So, I'd like to see you do a video too, and maybe let me know what your name is, man. I don't have to call you Stig. I can actually call you by your real name. So, those are my call outs. Those are the tags that I'd like to see. And I know, like I said, I'm a little late to the game, but I was tagged, I think, a couple of weeks ago. But here's my video anyway, to let you guys know. So, eat, sleep, styrene, everybody. Keep building those awesome, awesome models, and just keep making videos for inspiration. And I will see you guys in the next video.